Hello everyone, this is Professor Jagdish Mimple from NIT Nagpur. I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the live update notification about the channel. Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. In the previous video, we have already learned about the singly linked list. So in case of a singly linked list, there is one drawback. It means that once you start the traversing, for example, here, the starting vertex or starting node is having the address 10, having the address 100. We have to start the traversing from this particular linked list. So we have to start from 100. So 100 is here. We have to visit the data 25. Then address is 2000. So we have to move to 2000. Then visit to 60. Then there is an address 300. So move to 300. So address is 400. So we have to move to 400. Then here is 40. We have to visit 40. Then there is none. Okay, that means your linked list is end here. That means it address 400. That means the node whose address is 400. This is actually a last node. Okay, or we can say it's a ending node of your linked list. So here, suppose if you want to traverse back, or if you want to start the traversing from the first node again, so it won't be possible. It can't be possible in this particular linked list because we reaches to the last node. Okay. So it means that if you want to start the traversing from first node again, the concept of circular single linked list is there. Concept of circular single linked list is there. So in single linked list, if we found that the last node contain the address field value is null, the address field value in the last node contains a null value. Okay. So instead of putting a null value in the last node, what we will do in the singly circular linked list. So in singly circular linked list, the last node always contain the address of very first node in the address field. So for example, so here in this particular linked list, the linked list is start from 1001. 1001 is the starting node. So we have to start from 1001 node. We have to visit the data that is 10, then move to 1004. Then 1004 is having the data 50. Move to 1008, then move to 1008, having the data 22. Then again address is 1012. So move to 1012, having the address is 50, and its address field contain the address of the very first node. That means 1001 is the very first node. So we have to put 1001 in the address field of the last node. That means we have to move circularly. Once you reaches to the last node, so last node contain the address of very first node. So with the help of that particular address, we have to start traversing from the very first node again. That means a circular linkage. So you can't find the null value, or you can't find any of the node contain the null value. हमें ये नहीं मिलेगा कि कोई भी ऐसा नोड हमारे लिंक लिस्ट में है जिसका एड्रेस फील्ड नल है. So in short we can say in circular singly linked list, the last node contain the address of very first node. That is a singly circular linked list. Now we can see different operations performed on the singly circular linked list. The very first operation is traversing. So basically traversing is nothing but we are going to visit each and every node available in the linked list. So we have to start with the very first node. The head contains the address of the very first node. So 1000 is the very first node. Visit the data, that is 10. Then again next field is having the address 1004. Move to 1004. Visit the data, address is 1008. Move to 1008. Address is 22. Again the address field is 1012. So we have to move to 1012. Visit the data 50. Then again here is the 1001. That is address of a very first node. So again we have to start from very first node. Okay, that is the traversing. We have to rotate in a circular manner. After that, the next operation is searching operation. Searching is nothing but we have to find the particular data which is present in the linked list or not. Suppose if I said find the node whose data value is 22, or find the data 22 which is present in the linked list or not. So we have to start with 1001. It is a starting address, starting node address. So 1001 is the first or starting node. Okay, we have to move to 1001, digit the 10. We want 10 node, we require 22. So then next field is having the address 1004, so we have to move to 1004. The data is 15, and we don't want 15, we want 22. So there is an address 1008, so we have to move to 1008. Then there is a data is 22, and we require 22. So our search is successful. Okay, our data is found. Okay. Suppose if you traverse the complete list but your data is not present in the list, so it means that your search is unsuccessful. Okay, now the next one is display operation. So display is nothing but display operation is nothing but we are going to display the data of each and every node. So we have to start the traversing and display the data. Suppose the data value of first node is 10, we have to display 10. Then address 1004, we have to move to 1004, we have to display 15. Then again move to 1008, display 22. Then again we have to move to 1012 and display 50. So like that, we have to display the data of each and every node. After that, the next is deletion and insertion operation. First of all, we will see the insertion operation. Okay, so insertion operations, again, we are having three cases of insertion. So it means that we have to insert a node at the beginning, insert a node at the last position, and insert a node at a specified position. So we'll see insert at the beginning. So that means we have to insert the node at the very first position. So what we have to do, we have to create the node first, insert the node at the first position. So we have to create the node first. So here we have to create a node. Create करते हैं. So we have created a node. Okay. So suppose the data we have created the node. Okay. Suppose the address of this particular node is 100. Consider it. The address of this particular node is 100. Okay. And we want to add this node at the very first position. Okay. Suppose the data is D. Consider it. The data is D. Okay. Now it's a very first node. Previously, first node was 1001. Okay. Now the head contains the address 100 because our starting node is 100 now, and the address field of this particular node contains the address of the very first node, which was the very first node of the previous linked list. Okay. So in the newly created node, we have to write down the address 1001 as the next address. So we have to write down this address. It is 1001. Okay. So now your linked list will look like this. So this is your first address. It is connected with the very first node. And your last node contains the address of the very first node. So last node contains previously 1001. Now it contains 100 only. Now it contains 100 only. So now your linked list will be like this. So your last node contains the address. So we have to move in the circular manner. Likewise, we have to add the node at the very first position. Now we'll see we have to add the node at the last position. Okay. So again, we have to create a node. Now we have to add the node at the last position. So we have to create the node here. Okay. Suppose the address of this particular node is 100. Consider it. The address for this particular node is suppose 100. Any data, suppose you have stored 4, data value is 4. Okay. Now we have to change the addresses. So this is actually a last node. Okay, we have to add this node as a last node or the end node. Okay, so it contains the always end node contains the address of the very first node. Okay, so this node contains the address, that is the very first node is 1001. So here you can store the address 1001. I have written 1K. Okay, so now the connection will be like this. Okay, so we have to move this connection now. So previously 1001 was your last node. Okay, now we have inserted the new node at the last position. So address of the new node is 100. So here you have to just write in 100 and you have to connect this node also like this. Okay. This one. Okay. So likewise, we have to insert the node at the last position. Now suppose insert the node at the specified position. Okay, now the third case is insert the node at a specified position. So again, we have to create the node. Suppose the query is likewise, you have to insert the node at a position or insert a node after the node whose data value is 15. हमें एक नोड इंसर्ट करना है लेकिन ऐसे नोड के बाद जिसका डेटा वैल्यू 15 है. So first of all we have to traverse the linked list and find out where is 15. Okay, so we have to start with 1001, move to 1001. The data value is 10. We required 15. So 1004 is the address. So we have to move to 1004. The data is having 15. So after that, this is a node. जिसके बाद हम लोगों को एक नया node insert करना है. So again, we have to insert. We have to create the node. We have to create the node. So like we have to create the node. Okay. So suppose the address of this particular node is. Suppose the address of this node is suppose 200. We have to insert here. Okay, so we have to suppose the data is suppose now 5. Consider it any data is 5. Okay, now the address field, so we want to insert this node after 15. After 1004 we need to insert this particular node. Okay, so the address of this particular 1004, the address field of the node whose address is 1004 is 1008. So instead of 1008 we need to add 200. So instead of here we can add the 200. So link will be like this. Link will be like this. So we need to have a 200 here. 200 here. Okay. Now, and the newly created node, the previous address was 1008. So previous address 1008 will be stored into the newly created node. Okay, so here is a 1008. So we have this address here. That is the link will be like this. Here. Okay. So we have inserted the node in between the two nodes. Okay, so likewise we have to insert the node at a specified position. Okay. Similarly, suppose if you want to delete the node, so we have 3 cases of deletion. Delete the first node, delete the last node, and delete the specific node. So delete the first node. Suppose if you want to delete the first node, so we have started the link with 1001, so we have to delete this node. So we have to delete this node. Okay, so 1001 was the first node. So 1001 is having the address in the address field is 1004. So 1004 will be the first node now. So now this is actually the first node 1004. So in head we have to change the address. So there is a 1004 as the starting address. Okay, so likewise we have to delete the very first node. If you delete the first node at the same time, the last node contains the address of the first node. Now the last node contains the address. The node which is having the address is 1004. Okay. Previously, the last node contains the address 1001, but 1001 now it is deleted. Now 1001 is deleted. Okay. Now the first node is 1004. Now the very first node is 1004. So instead of 1001, we have a 1004 here. Okay. Once you deleted the first node, so reflections will be there in the last node also, because last node contains the address of the very first node. Likewise, we have to delete the very first node. Now suppose delete the last node. The second case is we have to delete the last node. Okay, so we have to delete the last node. That means traverse the list, and you can see, you can first of all you have to find out the last node. Okay, so 1001 is the starting node. You know the 1001 is the starting node. You can find which node contains the address 1001. So you have to start. Okay, then there is an address 1004. Move to 1004. Then there is an address 1008. And move to 1008. There is an address 1012. Then move to 1012. There is an address 1001. There is an address 1001. So we got the 1001 address. That means this is actually last node. This last node. So we have to delete this node. So we have to delete this node. So we have to delete this node. It means that the previous node now will be the last node. So the connections will be like this. The connections will be like this. Okay. So now the previous node, that is 1012, is the address. That means that node is already deleted. So instead of 1012, we required to put the starting node address. So instead of 1012, we need to insert the address 1001. So that means the connection will be like this. We have deleted the last node. Right. Now the third case is delete the node at a specified position, because you have to delete a specific node. So suppose if I said delete the node whose data value is 15. Delete the node whose data value is 15. So first of all, you have to find out the node whose data value is 15. To start with the traversal. So starting node is 1001. So move to 1001. Visit the data. Data is 10. We require 15 and go to next node 1004. And then move to 1004. visit the data value is 15 and we require 15, so we have to delete this one. We have to delete this one. So while deleting this node, okay, so the previous node contains the address 1004 and this deleted node is having the address 1008. So we have to move that 1008 address into the previous node. Okay, that means here instead of 1004, you have to store the 1008 address. That means your connection will be like this. Your connection will be like this. You are directly connected with the 1000. So likewise, we have to delete the node address specified positions. Okay. So hope everybody understood the concept of singly circular linked list and different operations performed on a single circular linked list like traversing, searching, display, deletion, and insertion operation. Okay. So very thank you one and all.